Aha!
Hello everybody! This is Mrs. Thor, the caregiver of California. It's time to eat my dinner. All my alagas they are now in the bed. So time check is 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna eat my dinner now. My ulam is fish. I've done everything. I give shower, put them in the bed. It's hard for being caregiver. But anyway, I've narsakton. Ano pa? Maya-maya. Caregiver ako pa lang. Work in a care home. Ito nga, narigap. Patulog ko kami din, sakto pa yung mangan. Naduma. Sometimes when I'm eat. Ay! May mask. Sponsored by California. So, I'm Mrs. Thor, the caregiver of California. So, sometimes it's hard. It's not only sometimes, but it's really hard for being a caregiver. Namuntay ko na ako, narsakton. Really good. It's better. Nga da trabaho ng Taiwan. Diba? So after my dinner, I'm going to mop the floor. You know? Clean. From end to end of the house. And then change your diaper. Hard. O pala, may ulam is tocino. I made a tocino. Pork tocino. Cannot see? You can see. And fry eggplant, of course. And galonggong. My drink. Mountain Dew. Beke naman. And I eat rice. Eating rice is good, especially if you work like this place, care home. You need to push the wheelchair, Hoyer, and it's hard. So I don't need diet. Narigat, tulak. Dapat kumain di rice. No diet. I worked here a long time already. 8 years. Until now, I'm poor. Saklap Mildred. But anyway, hindi ko na ako nagsakton. I'm taking care old folks. 2 lolos, 4 lolas. Old folks in the wheelchair. Madanon tunto sa tawon ko sa isinta. Kubak to siguro. Ano? Bakpakawan, antay. Dapat 47 ko pala. Kurawang tabo. Maulawak na grade. Alright. Anyway. Anyway, I'm here in California. Dollar. Dollar but not enough. Ano pala, enough but exactly. Not much. That's all. I will eat now. I'm eating anyway. I'll be back.